Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandabani from Master Arichudi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Gemini sign, Gemini ascendants, Mirgasisham 3rd, 4th Padam, Tiruvadirai, Punarpusam 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padam star viewers. Your sign lord and 4th house lord Mercury in a retrograde status transits to Gemini on July 7th in a ruling status, and on July 26th he moves to Cancer, your second house. So education side will be very bright. Financially you will be strong. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Your occasion may attract anyone. There may be no hindrance in your luxuries and comforts. Chances for purchase of house and plots are seen. Third house lord, Sun in Gemini in the first half of the month, and he transits to Cancer in the second half of the month. Politicians will flourish. This month is very good for politicians. Your efforts will be successful. Younger siblings will cooperate. You will be courage enough to face anything. 5th and 12th house lord Venus in Cancer till July 16th, and on July 17th he transits to Leo. Children will flourish in education and other activities, so you may feel proud about them. There is chances for purchase of luxurious items and ornaments. Based on the purchase of these luxurious items, you may incur expenditure. Women will flourish both in office and as well as in the house. For artists also, this month is almost a good month, but you cannot avoid travels and expenditure. Chances for marriage proposals are seen bright. This month is favorable for love affairs. 6th and 11th house lord Mars debilitated in Cancer till July 25th, and on July 26th he transits to Leo. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. You can get unexpected profits also. You may get income through loans. Ailments so far faced at the health side will come to an end. 7th and 10th house lord Jupiter in Aquarius, your 9th house. Chances for help and support from father is seen bright. Amounts due from others will be collected this month. There may be chances for unnecessary expenses in business, trade and career. Jupiter aspects over your sign, 3rd house Leo and 5th house Libra. You will be respected wherever you go, and the problems created by 8th house Saturn will be lessened because of the aspect of Jupiter. Siblings will help and support you. Family deity worship will be helpful as your 5th house is aspected over by Jupiter and Saturn. 8th and 9th house lord Saturn in a retrograde status in Capricorn. Saturn aspects over your 10th house Pisces, 2nd house Cancer and 5th house Libra. So there may be a dull situation in your business, trade and career. There may be delays in getting your profits. To maintain harmony in the family, give and take policy and flexibility will be good. Think twice before you speak out. Children may flourish in education, but you have to be cautious with their friend circle. Dragon Ragu in the 12th house Taurus may make you travel abroad. You may get the help from other language and other religion people. 6th house Dragon Ketu in Scorpio will give you problems. To overcome the problems and confusions given by dragons, involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation. Month begins with 2nd house Lord Moon in 10th house Pisces. Worship of Lord Chakratalvar will be good for Gemini. Moon moves to 8th house on July 24th and 25th. On these days, avoid new ventures, travel and controversy. Be cautious while driving vehicles. If your ascendant falls in the same sign, the said prediction may be taken. Otherwise, go in for the prediction of the sign where your ascendant falls. Based on your birth chart, present dasa bhukti, predictions may vary. It is a general prediction based on Tirkanitam. Planetary status as on July 7th, Mercury moves to Gemini. From there, on July 26th, Mercury moves to Cancer. July 16th, Sun moves to Cancer. July 17th, Venus moves to Leo. July 20th, Mars moves to Leo. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.